Welcome to a new tutorial from COFEM. In this video, we present our new motorized beam detector DLRCM60-120. This beam detector is designed to be connected by Bluetooth to your smartphone and perform a quick calibration and configuration. This beam detector has an IP65 protection level if it's installed with the mounting accessories supplied to ensure a more reliable installation. The DLRCM60 model is supplied with one reflector and designed to work in a linear distance range between 5 and 60 meters. While the DLRCM120 model is supplied with 4 reflectors and designed to work in a linear distance range between 60 and 120 meters. The wiring will be performed by first separating the detector head from the base by rotating it a quarter counterclockwise. In the base, we will find the connection terminals for the power supply, the alarm, and fault relays. The 470 ohm alarm resistor will be fastened between the common terminals of both relays, and the end of the line resistor will be fastened between the normally open terminal of the alarm relay and the normally closed terminals of the fault relay. To set up and calibrate our beam detector, we will use the app EDS Smart Beam, available on Play Store for Android devices. When the detector supplied and the smartphone Bluetooth is enabled, the MAC address will appear in the application. When we select it, we must enter the default password, 1234. This will allow us to set up a new password for administrator and user of the detector. After setting the passwords, the following menu allows us to adjust the detector and the alarm sensitivity threshold. We can also set up the latching and delay of the alarm and fault relay. Afterwards, a menu will appear displaying current signal level, relay status, and event log. In order to calibrate the detector, click on the calibration symbol, located at the bottom of the application. In the calibration menu, we have two options to pre-align the detector, laser or signal. If we select the laser option and turn it on, we can aim the pointer to the center of reflecting mirror by using the arrow keys provided for this purpose. If the laser pointer is not visible due to distance, pre-alignment can be performed using the signal option, checking the increase or decrease from the received signal with each touch of the arrow keys. Next, we can choose between a quick calibration, which will take up to 2 minutes, or a slow calibration, which will take up to 20 minutes. This last one will be used when the power consumption of the beam detector needs to be kept to a minimum. Both calibrations are performed automatically through a 5-step alignment process, after which the detector will be ready for operation. We can see that the signal is at 100% and the alarm level is indicated with a red line. Finally, we will simulate a fire alarm. In this case, we will see how the detector signal decreases and the alarm is triggered in the fire panel. Once the detector stops detecting smoke, it automatically returns to a standby mode. The control panel stays in alarm status, even though the detector is already in the standby status, until the situation is managed properly. Thank you for trusting COFEM.